What's up, guys? It's Chris.
There we go. Alright, we're going to remove the shower head. So, first thing we're going to do is I just keep it all together when removing it. Pop that off, really easy. Take a rag and clean up the threads. So with most new shower heads, you won't need Teflon tape. They come with a rubber washer. So this one, this is the water pick. Just comes in this package here. First thing you're gonna do is grab this here. This piece has a rubber washer in it. I've already taken out all the restrictors. This has a washer in it. Gonna thread that up onto the shower arm. Hand tight. You don't want to go like too hard because you can crack the plastic. So I don't recommend using like pliers or anything like that on these. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your hose. This part, the part with the rubber washer, the part that says attach to shower head, you're going to attach to the spray head. Hand tight again, you don't want to use any type of wrenches. Want to make sure you've got your rubber washer in there. This piece is like rigid. That will screw to there. Again, you just want to go hand tight. I'll get that off in a minute. Anyways, once it's all connected, very pressure. There you go. That's how you install your personal sprayer. They're all pretty much the same. Some of them, like this one here, I believe this was like a melon or a polar, right? Anyways, this one here has like the adjustment. It's got slightly different, but it's all the same. They've all got this rubber washer that attaches right to there. You don't need any tape, any pipe dope, nothing. And you're good to go. There you go, guys.
Drain being a pain, the brown won't go down. Time to deploy Uncle Elroy. He's got the longest snake around. Need to clear your pipes without any gripes. Old Uncle Elroy's the guy for the job. He's getting shit done without being a slob. So give the man a like and go and hit subscribe. Gonna save you money, save you time. He'll teach you how to plumb, it won't charge a dime.